everyone, today I'm going to teach you a really quick and easy image knockout effect that you can use in your designs to give that extra dimension. It's one of my favorite image hacks. This is a great technique, especially when you're looking for ways to elevate your product imagery. There are two different techniques I'm going to take you through. The first is how to completely knock out an image and turn it into an outline, and the other is to transform the image into a solid shape. First, we're going to add our product image to our design, making sure we're using one with the background removed. Then we're going to duplicate this image twice so that we have a copy of the original and also another copy which we will use for the outline effect. For best practice, I'm also going to label these layers so that it's less confusing. Let's create the outline knockout effect first. Click on the image we want to knock out and then choose Effects from the top action bar. A drop-down menu will appear and we will want to click Outline, and then use the thickness and fade toggles to reach your desired look. Then come down a bit further and press the View More button, and we're going to want to turn on Knock Out. And there we go, we have a nice outline of our product. Now if we want to knock out the entire image so that the shape is filled, we're going to do the same process. Click on the image we want to transform, go to Effects, Outline, turn on Knockout, but this time we're also going to turn on Fill. Now we can go to our Layers palette and move the layers around so that the knockout sits behind our product shot and the outline knockout sits on top. As I mentioned earlier, this is an easy yet effective technique, especially when you're looking for ways to elevate your product imagery. Subscribe to our channel to learn more easel tips and tricks on how to elevate your designs to the next level.